Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the next video. So in this video we are going to discuss about what is meant by business rules in ServiceNow. Okay, so basically business rules are something which are very useful. A business rule is a server side script that runs when a record is displayed or inserted, updated or deleted, or when a table is queried. So basically business rules are used to validate the data, to perform some checks before we update something, or like to give the control or give the access to a particular role, and to make some edits, and you want to restrict something from some other users, then you can do it with the help of business rules. So this is very important entity and where it can be used. So I'll just give some examples. Business rules can be used to accomplish tasks like automatically changing values in form fields when certain conditions are met, or to create events for email notification and script actions. So note that business rules can make use of scripts to take actions or records in the database. However, there are several other scripting options which are available, like client scripts are there or UI actions are there. So you can perform database actions as well, but that can be done better with the help of client and UI actions. But business rule plays a crucial role in the form validation and all. So how the business rule will be working? To configure business rules, you first need to determine when the business rule should run and what action should it take. So basically, if you want to configure it, you need to first decide when it should run and what it should do. So the time that business rule is configured to run relative to a record being modified or access, the database operation of that system takes on the record. Okay, so when to run, maybe before, after, display, sync, or during the database operation, like after insert or after update or after delete or query. Okay, so these are a couple of examples and some information on that one. So I'll not just explain some theory, it will be always boring. So I will show you some hands-on. Okay, so let's say so this will be the home page. You will be landing here, and in fact you will be landing here. Okay, so yeah, cool. Okay, so I'll just go to the home page again here, and let me just show you over here. Okay, so you just need to search here like business in the home page, and after that under system definitions, in order to create business rules, you need to go to system definitions, then click on business rules. Okay, so then you will be coming over here, then click on new, and after that, okay, so it will ask for name. Just give some name. Okay, so I'll just say test 2. Test 2 is the name of my business, and business rule. So now you need to select on which table you want to apply this one. So for now I will just show you like incident table. Okay, so if I just search here incident, then under all you can go to incidents, and you will be able to see incident, their description and everything. Okay, so this is the incident table. All right, so now what I want to do is I want it on the incident table. So I can just click on this drop down, say incident, select this incident, and then what to do and when to do. Okay, so I have configured now. So when to run, when I should run this one, whenever I insert something into the incident table or update something, you need to run this business rule. So that I have checked here, whenever I insert, whenever I update. Okay, so if you just want to add some filter condition, then you can do here, like choose a field, let's say when the number incident number is this one, when short description is this, or whenever there is like matching something, priority, assignment, group, category, anything, you can relate it with anything. Okay, but I will not do that for now. And when to run and what should be done, what action should it take. So now I can set some field values. Okay, so I will just say maybe description, set the description to this one, um, description from business rule, BR. Okay, and then exclamatory mark. Okay, cool. So after that you can add a message as well. So if you just check box this, and let's say message from BR. Okay, all right. So this is how you can configure a business rule. Okay, so now I will just show you how it works. So I will just click on save, and then this thing will be saved. Okay, yeah, cool. So this is saved now, and now I need to like from here, if I just create some new incident, then it should show me this message. Okay, so caller is say system administrator, and I'll just give some basic description. Okay, so this is like I'm creating a new incident. Okay, so here I have already added when to run whenever there is like insert or update in the table. And what you need to do, you need to set the description of that particular field which is newly getting created to description from BR. See, if I give just I will just give some other description. I will say Patil and Patil, but it will not take this description. This will be overridden by the description which is given here, description from BR only. So if I try to save this thing, then business rule will come into picture, and it will make sure that this will be erased Patil, and then it will write here description for BR, because I have said here whenever for this incident table, whenever something is inserted or updated, in that case you have to under system, under description, you have to override this. So just see it in action now. So I will say save, and now just observe that how it will override here. See, indeed it is doing description from BR, and like system administrator has modified this field value. So this indicates that some BR is applied on this one, some BR is applied. So that's why we are the text which we are writing, which we are trying to write, is overwritten here. So this is how you can make use of BR for doing some customization. So I hope you got this point. Okay, all right. So this is one of the example, and now I will delete it because it will create problems if you don't delete these things, because I'm just creating some demos here. All right, so now again I will go here again under system definitions. I will go to business rules. This is one of the example, but you can have n number of examples, and I will show you a little more complex thing now. So I have created now test 3, and table is again incident. Okay, so now if you want to just do some custom scripting, okay, so in that case you need to check box this advanced. So you can see here advanced, when to run. So see, if you check box this advanced, then you will be getting lot of options here. When you are having these many things, before, after, async or display particular event. So on inserting, on updating, deleting or query. So maybe before, then I will select it as insert, and you can do something else as well. Actions, what actions we have to do. So you can do any actions here. If you just click on this about, then it will not add that particular thing in the system. Okay, so that is about the action. And then here you can add some code if you want to get some count and all, if you want to see how many things are there, how many events are there, or the tickets are there with the count. Let's say okay, just a second, give me a second so that I can find some good example. Okay, I will go to all here, and if you want all the data with priority critical. Okay, so if you just click here and show matching, then you will be getting all the data. There are 27 records whose priority is critical. So you can write a code. I have already shown you how to write the codes and all. So you just need to write an encoded query here, and that also you can copy from here. In fact, like go here and copy query, and right here glide record, and then this and this